Good morning, David here with his weekly week look. Today is 25th of March, Friday. Video timed at 8:30, pre-market open. We are once again looking at the May UK wheat futures. This is old crop. Just an indication of what's happening on the market at the present moment. Right, what have we got at the moment? We've got still showing a downwards trend on the super trend, but we've got a turn up in the moving average. Obviously, as you can see on the chart, we've had this recent fall, which we came down to test 167. We've then risen back up to 201 the early part of this week, and we have come back to our old favourite line of 194. This 194 is right in line of the 50% retracement from the high of 216 to low of 167. And obviously, as we can see now, over the past 3 months, we've either been just above that 194, tested above it, or come down below it. So obviously, my feeling is now that we're probably stuck in this kind of trading range of where the price backfills around this level of 194, with the top being sort of 200 and the recent bottom being sort of 180, sort of 185, somewhere around about there. So probably see some sideways action now over the next week, as we have got a big USDA crop report out due in the US next Thursday. So I probably don't see much change before then, and we just see sideways action until then. The stochastic is up to the higher end, so showing a little bit overbought, but we've got no major signals, no sell signal at the moment. So now we'll swap to the new crop, and we're looking at the November 2011 wheat chart. And obviously, just looking here, we have this recent high of 183, the low which we saw 2 weeks ago, 145, which is a gap fill which we're looking for. Market has bounced up, back up to 165, come back up to test this big blue trend line, and you can see the support and resistance there of 165, which I've drawn in as a big green line above the market there, and we've got support 145. And with the same with the old crop, I see sort of sideways action now over the next week until we get the outcome of this big USDA crop report, and I see the price of maintaining this sideways action between 165 and 145 to 150. Stochastic is halfway and now turning down, so no clear signal on the stochastic, just sort of confirming that we've now got this sideways action. So I see that unless we see an upwards break of 165, we're in this pattern. So obviously looks like we've got a holding pattern at the present moment. I think that's all at the present moment, and I'll put an update this time next week. Thank you for watching.